Storm Tracker weather starts now with meteorologist Joey Bianconi.
Welcome back, everybody. Happy Friday. It snowed in Helena just a little while ago. Not currently snowing right now, at least not very hard. It was a snow squall that came through earlier this morning. 23 degrees, cloudy conditions, feels like 12 out there with a little bit of a north wind. That north wind is in the entire state right now, making wind chills down into the single digits and teens. So the 24-hour temperature change, you can really see where that cold front has begun to push through. We are about 20 degrees colder in a lot of the north central plains this morning. That front is currently making its way through Helena, so we're right at around the same. And then warmer conditions down into southern Montana. So temperatures right now into the upper teens and low 20s for a lot of us. Wind speed 10 to 20 miles an hour for most sustained winds out of the north. We are still gusting to 30 to 40 miles an hour along the high line, and that's really bringing the wind chill down into the single digits. So wind will be on the stronger side through this morning. We still do have a high wind warning for parts of Cut Bank and Havre out to Chester as well. So this afternoon, the wind does die down, but here comes another cold front that pushes through, increasing our winds, giving us a little bit more snow tomorrow morning around the same time as when it moved through this morning. So Helena moved through right at around 5 o'clock. That's when we could see it tomorrow morning as well. Then the wind does die down into tomorrow afternoon and will stay on the lighter side. High wind warning, as I mentioned, still in effect, Cut Bank, Chester, Havre, even into the Bear Paw Mountains until about 11 o'clock this morning. There is some snow still around pretty close to Helena as well. Some heavier snow down near Billings, Red Lodge, into the Beartooth Mountains there, and a little bit near Glasgow. So we'll zoom in on Helena. Still some snow shower activity into the little belts, the big belts, even around Helena, the lower elevations, a little bit of flurry activity up near Great Divide. Great Falls, some snow just to the south and east of town right now. Little Belt's getting some moderate snowfall to the south and east of Malta, approaching Glasgow and the Fort Lake area. So snow will continue throughout the course of this morning. Could see on and off snow showers throughout the day in places like Helena and Great Falls, but they will be scattered in nature. A lot of this banding you see here on the future track, that is some upslope generation of some snow showers. So you have that north flow hitting the mountains, it's forced upward, and then it squeezes the moisture on out of the air, and we could see some snowfall on the windward side of these mountains. So we do have winter weather advisories in place for the lower elevations, including Great Falls in the north central plains due to that. There will be another front that moves through that'll bring some snow squalls possibly tomorrow morning, just like we saw this morning, and then Saturday for the rest of the day is dry. So here are those winter weather advisories: Lewistown, Great Falls, even close to Helena, McDonald Pass west of town. We'll likely see a little bit of some snow accumulation, and then along the Rocky Mountain front as well. Future snowfall, we could see 1 to 3 inches in some lower elevations, but this will not be a huge snow accumulation event, aside from maybe some of the mountains, especially the Little Belts, could see maybe 6 to 9 inches. Frostbite going to be a concern going into this weekend, as we will have wind chill temperatures, especially on Monday, 10 to 20 degrees below zero, possibly even approaching 30 below. So be careful, dress warm this weekend. We will be in the single digits and low teens for our highs. That's it. Our overnight lows will be down below zero, especially on Monday morning, when most locations will be 15 to 20 below.